Hey everyone, if you follow this channel and you subscribe to us, you probably know that for a while now I've been wanting this Aeroccino 4. It finally arrived in a package today and I'm keen to get using it, so I thought I'd just unbox it today, show you what it looks like on the inside, tell you a little bit more about the specification of it, and then on another day we'll actually use it. We'll do a how-to once I've got used to using it, but for now let's just have a look at it. So the Aeroccino 4, it's got 4 different types of milk settings. So it's got a cold milk foam setting, it's got just warm milk without froth, it's then got a froth milk setting, and then by the look of it an extra froth milk setting. Another important thing is that it's dishwasher safe. The Aeroccino 3 wasn't dishwasher safe, so that's a really good bonus about this one, the Aeroccino 4. The capsule it's showing on the box is the original capsule. I'm guessing there's no problem with using it with a virtual machine if you've got a virtual machine, because they do espressos as well, and Grand Lungos, so I'm sure you want to try it out with that as well. But obviously they're saying that it's probably originally designed for use with the original one, and we've got some nice pictures there of coffees that you can make using the machine, using the Aeroccino 4. So that's the sort of thing that it's going to hopefully allow you to do. We'll have a crack at these one day and see if we can get them that perfect. I doubt it, but we'll give it a try. So that's the Aeroccino 4. Let's have a look inside the box now and see how it looks. I'll do it carefully, just in case it needs to go back. Right, so that's the Aeroccino 4. We can see it's got a nice handle. It's a nice metally colour, very modern, very sleek, and it's also got a lip on it there. I'll get it out in a second. I'm not sure what this is either, probably just a manual on how to use it. Let's have a look and see if I can get it out a bit better. Right, so that looks really nice, doesn't it? It's, you can see inside there's let's get this gear out. We've still got a spring in there, but the difference with this one is that all your milk preparations on the Aeroccino 4, you don't have to remove the spring like you did on the old one to do certain types of milk. You can do it all with one spring inside and one preparation apparently. I haven't used one myself, so we'll see how we get along with that, and I'll tell you more about that in my review. So let's try and get the base out. See if we can get inside. We get in from the side here. I'll just show you inside what I'm trying to get out here. I don't like ripping stuff out on unboxings because you damage old packaging. It's just a lot easier to send it back if you have a problem, if the packaging is all intact. Right, we're nearly there now. Just get the plug out through there. Just pop this to one side. Yeah, we've got the I'm sure that's a manual in there, so if you want to, I won't try removing that now, it's obvious what that is. So there's your manual. I'll just remove make the box a bit neater so we've got some room to move. So this is the packaging, we'll get rid of that. And now we can see it better. So we've got our 4 buttons: cold milk, foam, foamy cold milk, just steamed milk, milk with froth, and milk with extra froth by the look of it. The cable, let's see how long it is. Try and untie this, just so you know whether it's going to work for your kitchen. So it's got a fairly long cable on it, so it could go right, but I'd say I estimate that's probably just under a metre in length, maybe 80 centimetres, something like that. And yeah, I'll just let you have a look at that quickly while I tell you a little bit more about it. So it's dishwasher proof, as we've mentioned, easy to use. It's got a 2-year warranty on it. It's easy to clean, so it's a good machine, and you do it all with a single whisk. It's about 1 kilogram in weight, the Nespresso website says. I am actually just reading this from the Nespresso website, but it's 1 kilogram in weight. Maximum capacity for hot milk is 240 millilitres. For milk froth, if you want froth milk, you'll get 120 millilitres out of it. And the dimensions: height, it's 210 millimetres, so 21 centimetres. And diameter, so across it's saying it's 18 centimetres. That'll be the base. I'm going to say, I was looking at it then thinking it doesn't look 18 centimetres, but that'll be the base. 18 centimetres across. And again, 2-year warranty. You'll get used to this with my videos. I always forget something and have to interject. So I thought I'd best just set it up and show you really it turned on, show you what it looks like fully put together and assembled. So it just slots on the top of there like that. I'll get this out of the way because that's where I'm going to keep it. I bought it because it fits in better with my new machine, and I just wanted it. Sometimes you just want things, don't you? I'll take front of that off and take the cardboard off as well, off the plug. Plug it in. I'll tidy my wires up later, but just for the purpose of the video to show you it working, there we are. It's all lit up, ready to go. There's also something. So there's a film lid on the top that you need to remove, and there's a lip on here obviously as well. So that will need to go perfectly over the top of that for it to sit right. And that's it. All set up, ready to go. So I hope you've found that useful. Like I said, come back in the future because I haven't used one before. I don't like reviewing things that I haven't used. So I'm going to have a few weeks using it. I'll come back with a how-to video on how to use it and also a review video of what I think about it. So please subscribe to the channel, follow our videos. If you've liked the video and you found it helpful, please give it a like, and we hope to hear from you soon. Or feel free to leave a comment if there's anything specific you want to know for when I do my review. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.